This Ghanaian disc jock's dream has finally come true. But Legazy with a wake-up call about poor communication and hefty performance fees. Radio jock Legazy, bit by the reggae bug listening to his father's vinyls of Jimmy Cliff and Peter Tosh as a boy, later getting on air with a show of his own, now syndicated on 4 stations across the country. Millions of listeners.
King Legazy run the place. It's me again, Jock.
Ghana, the home of high life, as well as local heroes Shatta Wale and Stoneboy, but also the gateway to Africa for reggae music.
Take off like plane on the runway.
In a corporate office you walk into in Ghana, you either hear them playing some Bob Marley,
Africa unite.
some culture,
It's about.
Burning Spear,
So do you remember the days of slavery?
Steel Pulse.
Stop it, they just not stop it. Driver.
All the youth over there are all into dancehall.
Me bump for this and me know say me there so fit beat.
Ghana is current, you know. Anywhere you go, especially when you enter into the ghetto, the garrison, trust me, everybody's into it.
You say Ghana, Gaza, you are chat.
You have a lot of Gaza fans in Ghana. Through the Shatta movement with Shatta.
Follow me to Gaza.
Tentic was in Ghana recently at the Accra Sports Stadium. 40,000 capacity. When we invited him on stage, he couldn't believe his eyes.
Most wanted.
If Massacre, if he's to listen to me now and put things together and come to Accra, trust me, he will be surprised. Massacre, because I go to some dances and I drop his song, they don't know my story, and the whole place flatten.
Oh, them a go let me know hungry before.
Always Legazy's dream to visit Jamaica. It's taken a while, but here he is.
I am trying to bridge the gap between Ghana and Jamaica, because linking artists via social media sometimes is very tedious.
Move, you, quick, keep up. Yeah.
Song like the Dread from TJ, it's a big song. I've tried to reach out to him and there is no response. Some of these booking agents of these artists are, excuse me, my language, not serious, in such a way that you will write to them and it will take them forever to respond to you.
Chief.
I've been trying to get Bounty Killer for 18 years now for interview.
Slow motion.
I play a song from Killer, video them, tag him on Instagram, he will repost them, but the man don't talk to me. This is the problem. If they are not, well versed in social media, I think they should employ people to go into their inbox and look over there and reply messages, because you might be missing something. Because this is music business and social media is the new ish. So if you don't put yourself over there via social media, nobody will listen to you, because there are a lot of me in Africa who want them on their shows. And I've been telling them, Europe is not the place again. Africa is the place.
Another message from Legazy concerns performance fees asked for by Jamaican artists.
Me will give you anything when you want.
They want to take $80,000, $100,000. Corporate Ghana find it very hard to support, especially reggae dancehall music, simply because they feel like Rastafari and weed is attached to it. So our artists must be up and doing, put themselves together, go into their inbox, reply their emails, you understand, and try to create that kind of connection between us over there, because we see Jamaica as Africa out of Africa.
And since around 2013, Africa names now the concert headliners. One less reason, he says, to justify hefty visitor paychecks.
I'ma make you know they test me.
All of a sudden, the table turned, where Afrobeat is making the waves now. And artists like the Stoneboy, like the Shatta, like the Samini, like the Jupiter, like the Episode, like the Raskuku, and among others, all of them started doing Afrobeat because everybody wants to eat food. If you bring any artist from Jamaica or elsewhere to Ghana and you don't add a local artist like Shatta Wale, Stoneboy, Samini, trust me, nobody will attend. Simply because our artists now they've branded themselves and they've put themselves to a level where you can't do without them because they have the crowd.
We are the girl, them sugar.
Okay, top 3 names out of Jamaica in Ghana right now, Legazy.
Number 3, popcorn. Second will be Buju Banton, and the first should be Luciano.
That's Ghanaian reggae and dancehall radio man Legazy.
King Legazy sound. From New York, Jamaica, back to Africa. How we are running? We kill sound like the mafia. How we are running? Some boy a pay something all young. I can't catch up Legazy too popular.